first learned that Mickey had been calling me, he was cool about it, thinking that he'd probably need somebody wiser to talk to after breaking up with a girlfriend of 5 years. But when he heard that Mickey and I are started going out twice a week, later, then almost every day, he accosted him, never me, and asked what he intends to do to her favorite aunt.
What about me? What would JB call me then?
Huh? He wouldn't have to call you anything anyway.
Pwede ba ako dito ngayong gabi lang?
Ay, ano naman balak mo, ha?
Stranded kasi ako eh. Ano baka?
Meron naman.
By the way, gusto ko the umbrella.
Ah, gago. Tingnan ako, basang-basa na tuloy ako. Tara.
Maghintay ka naman.
Uy, ano ang problema mo, ha?
I wanted to think that you just slipped and hold on to me, but we both fell, a bigger mess.
This is There's something wasn't right with you. Ah, your skin here. It's supposed to be hollow, but yours... It did? Probably you had a parasite in your throat.
Han, pwede mo pa check yung mga bata sa playground? Baka kung ano yung ginagawa eh.
Sige ako na bala.
Thank you.
How could it happen? Sabihin mo! Bakit? Paano nangyari yun?
Ano?
Ilang beses nangyari? Madami? Isa?
Just...
Tingnan mo nga! My children were not raised like that!
Alam mo, Dad, eto na to eh. Tapos na, nangyari na. Wala na tayong magagawa dito. Siguro nga karma mo pa to eh.
And come back here! We're not finished yet! I said come back! Bro! Oh! Problema mo! Hanalig ako sa'yo! Gusto pare? How dare you, pare? Pinagkatiwalaan kita. Ano yan? Hindi ko alam sinasabi mo, pare! Sakita ko! Hindi ko alam yan! Sige lang!
Oh, ano ginagawa mo dito sa office? Oh, sige. Akyat ka, third floor. Sige.
You should have done something about it.
Ano ba kasi talaga nangyari?
Si JP may gawa na ito.
Ano ba? Pati talit ko nalagyan mo na ng dugo eh. Ayos na nga dyan.
Oh.
Oh, Mickey.
How old is she? Dapat kinilala mo siyang mabuti.
Saan ba kasi napulit tong babae to? Ano ba pinagkagagawa niyo, ha?
Ma'am!
Nasa tamang edad na po kami. At responsable po kami dapat sa ginawa natin. Hindi ko naman hinahayaang sagutin ang